time are we gonna get back home?
I don't know, bub. I feel like we'll probably walk like, this will probably take an hour at the most. I would say 30 to, minutes to an hour. And then we'll go eat.
Yeah, I did. It's a whitetail.
Yeah. Cotton, yeah. This is a nice meadow, huh? Not that good, is he?
He's a great one. Oh, he has the fence system like a Jennifer.
He's just going.
Yes. Are y'all excited? Huh?
It's pretty, isn't it?
I'd give it like a 4 out of 5.
Like
Okay.
a 7 out of 10. It's gorgeous.
Left or right, honey?
I would say right.
Okay.
It's not a trail.
Oh. Got a sign there, though.
That's true. I don't know what that.
You can hear a lot of the traffic.
Yep. There's a lot of neat jobs for people that want to be outside. There's even people that travel that take care of the trails.
Whoa.
I know.
Yeah, Mom, she already knew all that.
There's a lot of neat things. Doing good.
I'm filming, bud. Do you want me to put you in the shot?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Can I document our bear attack?
If I have to, son, that's my cross to bear.
Watch Mom here, but
Near a creek or a river is not safe either during a flood. Ooh, look at that rock. It's shiny. Oh, it's just the minerals inside.
Here's the next trail divide. Honey, the red loop, and then there's a connector. Which one will we take?
phones we have right now. And then there's like, so we could literally get those flip phones for free.
Flip? Oh, those ones that we want.
Like literally. I think we pay like
I guess we're lost. My family's telling me that we're lost on the red trail. My daughter's about to break down.
There's a red thing right there.
We did see a red tag, but that could mean anything at this point. We've been out here for, 40 minutes, 42 minutes. So I'll keep you posted.